Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can install shaders in Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your browser and download this modder. After that, run Minecraft for once and then just simply quit it. Install the Iris modder by simply opening it with Java. After installation completes, just simply close it, then download the shader from the website. You can download any shader you like. So after that, select the mode profile of Iris before opening the game. Then just open Minecraft and go to settings, and then video, shader pack. In this shader pack, just click and drag your file you downloaded and you're done. This is how you can install shaders in Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.